All right, we're back. This time we're trying Arizona teas, a variety of Arizona teas. Here's our review. We got the chill, mango chill, watermelon, and half and half. Here's our reactions. Again, these are Dollar Tree finds. Don't forget to like, share, comment, enjoy the video. All right, so we're going to review this Arizona tropical chill sickle cocktail juice. So here we go. It ain't really got no flavor. This is the chill sickle tropical Arizona. It just tastes like flavored water. Flavored water.
So what's going on, folks? So the man coming here one time. So we're reviewing the Arizona tropical chill sickle juice cocktail. Let y'all know what this is hitting on. Yeah, this one is it doesn't really have a the taste is like minimal, very minimal. You know what it tastes like? If you have something, it's like if you have something frozen and it's like it's kind of slushy and you suck all of the good juice out of it and you just have like that little whatever taste left. That's what it kind of tastes like. You know what I mean? So it's like, yeah, this one wasn't it, man. So
I give it a -1.
Yeah, I'll give it about a 2. You need to put something in it, like some fruit juice or something to, to make it at least,
stick.
Palatable. Yeah. So.
Yeah, this is one of 3 more to go. All right, so now we have the Arizona watermelon juice cocktails. Cheers, guys. This one is something's still missing. I'll probably give it a.
Yeah, it feels like like these last few drinks. I don't know if they're watering that stuff down. I don't know what's going on with Arizona, but
this is the Arizona watermelon fruit cocktail juice. I'll probably give it a 1.
Yeah, it's almost. I'll give it like about a 1.5, but. It's almost like they're watering their stuff down more, man, like diluting it or something.
All right, so we're back with another review. So this one is the Arizona Frosty Chill Sickle. This one is, cheers, guys. Drink responsibly. Let's see. It still tastes like this is.
It's like it just
This
tastes
is like water.
Yeah, man.
It's like flavored water.
Yeah, it's just all of them. That's all it is. It's just basically flavored water.
Oh,
I'm gonna have to give this one a 0.
I'm gonna have to give this one a -0. Oh gosh.
Yeah, that's not.
That's not it.
That's not hitting the taste buds. Come on, Arizona, y'all gotta do better than that.
Oh Lord. All right, so we reviewed the Arizona teas. This is Arizona Chill Sickle Frosty, Tropical Chill Sickle, Watermelon, and half and half. Horrible. Mm-mm. 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 horrible. All right, we're back with another review. Arizona. This is the half and half iced tea and lemonade. Cheers, guys.
Drink responsibly.
Please.
That's good.
Mine needs to be a little sweetened.
Yeah, it does. At least this one has more flavor to it, but it needs
something is missing.
Yeah, because normally, you know, I think they would call it like the Arnold Palmer.
Yeah.
But yeah, something is, the balance is off. It's like more tea than the other
lemonade.
Lemonade. So they need to balance it out.
Thank you for watching. This was our review. -10. Won't get them again. Again, comment. Don't forget to like, share. Until the next video.